Welcome back. Now news from sports. Indian All Corporation got the better of ONGC in the men's team championship finals at the inter-unit PSPB table tennis tournament at Kampal on Friday. IOC won by 3 matches to 1 in the best-of-5 rubber.
India's only player in the top 100 in the world, Achanta Sharad Kamal, was in great form as he led IOC's charge with 2 victories in the finals. Sharad Kamal defeated Zubin Kumar and A. Amal Raj without much trouble in the final rubber. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Paul from Kampal.
Sportsweek Cricket Club will take on Stamina while Oxford Marine will meet Politics 11 in the semi-finals of 2020 cricket at Fatorda on Saturday. The tournament organised by Babu Brothers Sports Association is into the most exciting stage now. The last 2 quarter-finals were played on Friday.
Sportsweek defeated Iqbal Warriors by 33 runs in the first match of the day. After being put into bat, Sportsweek posted 146 runs in their allotted 20 overs. Videsh Usgaonkar was the top scorer with 38 runs while Sunny Naik made 37 runs. Achit Chigwan scored 19 runs while Soumik Angle and Marian Anthony contributed 13 runs each. For Iqbal Warriors, Ravindra Avath was the top wicket taker with 4 wickets to its credit. In reply, Iqbal were all out for 113 runs in 18.2 overs. Badal Singh waged a lone battle with 33 runs against his name. For Sportsweek, Rajay Jagdale was the chief wicket taker with 6 scarves and was named man of the match. Sportsweek will play Stamina Cricket Club in the first semi-final. In the second match, Oxford Marine beat Mandovi Boys by 3 wickets. Oxford chased down the target of 116 in 19.2 overs. All-rounder Robin D'Souza played a key role and was named man of the match. Oxford will take on Politics 11 in the second semi-final.
Just nicely scooped away. The ball is racing. Let us see who wins the race. The ball, I guess. Good work in this time. Good hit, straight to the fielder.
A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.